My name is Andre. I have a PhD in healthcare innovation, and I'm one of the founders of Beautiful Voice. I'm originally an electrical engineer, and I really wanted to develop technology that help people, and that got me into healthcare technologies. Beautiful Voice is a startup aiming to modernize speech and language therapy. We created a digital health platform to help speech and language therapists to be more efficient with their work, to assist them on their work, and to allow people with communication issues such as stroke survivors and people with Parkinson's to have more accessible and efficient speech therapy. It's quite exciting how many people we got to use the platform in so little time and how quickly we managed to get into other people's hands. What we created is a platform that complements the work of the speech and language therapist on the days that they're not seeing them. So patients can train at home with engaging materials, with interactive feedback and training suggestions. What really motivates me to work in Beautiful Voice is knowing the difficulties that these people have. Some of the people who are using our platform, they have difficulties going to the shops. People think they're drunk when they're talking. In other cases, they're really stigmatized and they can't call to order a pizza. So being able to enable them to be a little bit more independent, to have a little bit of more confidence on their speech and voice is a really big difference for them and their families. Ultimately, we want to be able to give everyone who has an acquired communication issue a chance to improve their speech. The collaboration with Team SY started very early in Beautiful Voice journey. This was even before we had any funding from investors. They helped us make connections with academic advisors, scientific advisors, patient advisors, and speech and language therapists, which have been really contributing to the development of the platform. I think the most valuable thing we got from Team SY was connections. We've been connected to so many people from that would be really hard to approach being just a business from a small business starting up. They have connected with Sheffield Teaching Hospital, Lab for Living, University of Sheffield. So there's so many different people in all these institutions which took the time to listen to us thanks to Team SY bridging that connection. I think my main advice would be to talk to people, talk to your users first of all and listen to them. They are going to be the ones who are going to tell you what's the solution. They know better than you about the problem. But also talk to other people such as Team SY or other accelerators. There are a lot of people who've been through what you're going through if you're starting a business, and there's a lot of great advice you can get from them and a lot of support you can get from them that you might not have expected.